Hello, class 10th. In continuation with the chapter life process, today we are going to discuss about physiology of digestion. Right? The physiology of digestion में first we'll discuss कि mechanical digestion of food जो होता है वो actually take place in the buccal cavity, where the teeth masticate the food, saliva get mixed and turn into the bolus. Then digestion of starch start in buccal cavity itself with the action of salivary amylase, जो एंजाइम आपके सलाइवा में प्रेजेंट होता है, राइट. जो salivary amylase होता है that convert starch into the maltose, which is a form of a sugar. In the stomach, the churning of food take place due to the muscular contraction and relaxation of its wall. It breaks down the food into simpler substances. Now, the digestion of protein actually take place in the stomach with the action of pepsin. Protein are broken down into smaller fragment called peptide by the action of this enzyme called pepsin. The bolus, after mixing with the gastric juice, turns into a fine soluble form known as the chyme. The chyme enters into the small intestine with complete digestion take place due to the action of various enzymes present in the pancreatic juice, bile and intestinal juice. Next, the digestive food is completely absorbed by the villi and microvilli of the small intestine. Undigested food then enter into the large intestine. The colon is responsible for absorption of water and salt, where rectum stores the undigested food temporarily before exit. ठीक है, एनस के थ्रू जो उनका एक्सक्रीशन होता है, राइट. दिस इज द फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ डाइजेशन की हाउ डाइजेशन टेक प्लेस इनसाइड अवर बॉडी. Now we'll see digestive system in other animals other than the humans. So the digestive system in different animals vary in structure and function. The structure of digestion system depends on the food habits of the animal. Alimentary canal in herbivores is long, as the cellulose content in their plant-based diet take a long to digest, right? And on the other hand, the alimentary canal of carnivorous animals is comparatively shorter because meat get digested faster. Now we'll see anatomy of digestive tract. Anatomy means uska structure. The alimentary canal in humans is approximately 30 feet, 9 meter long, right? It starts with the mouth and end in the anus. And between these two openings, the alimentary canal is the tube of varying diameter, जिसके अंदर हमारे पास इसोफेगस, स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ठीक है, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन सभी कुछ कवर हो जाता है. फिर हमारे पास ग्लैंड्स आ जाते हैं, सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स, पैंक्रियाज, लिवर, जो ये मेजर डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स हैं. एंड ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट इन द स्टमक एंड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड. नाउ एक एसिड हम बार बार पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, जो हमारे स्टमक में रिलीज होता है, उसका क्या रोल होता है, लेट्स सी दैट. HCl or hydrochloric acid in the stomach is secreted by the gastric gland present in its wall, and the pH of the gastric acid is usually between 1.5 to 3.5. This acid serves the following functions. First क्या है, convert the inactive pepsinogen and prorenin into active pepsin and renin respectively, provide acidic medium for protein digestion, kills bacteria enter through food and prevent infection, prevent putrefaction of food in the stomach, right. A thick layer of mucus secreted by the mucus gland of the stomach prevent itself from the action of the gastric acid. Excess acid damages gastric mucosa and cause gastric and duodenal ulcers. और नॉर्मली एसिड भी जब बढ़ जाता है इंक्रीज में, तो यू फील दी, हम कहते हैं ना कि एसिडिटी हो रही है, दैट इज़ ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन HCl इन स्टमक, राइट. उसके लिए हम फिर एंटी एसिड, कोई भी एंट एसिड लाइक डाइजेशन और मैग्नीशियम मिल्क लाइक वो हम चीज़ लेते हैं, राइट. नाउ विल सी दी salivary gland function. Salivary glands are the exocrine gland that secrete saliva through the system of duct. It is poured into the mouth. In humans, three major pairs of salivary glands are present: parotid, submandibular and sublingual. In healthy individual, between 0.5 to 1.5 लीटर of saliva is produced per day. मतलब आधा लीटर से 1.5 लीटर तक का saliva आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं पर डे. Saliva serves the following function in the oral cavity. It lubricate and protect the soft and hard tissue of the oral cavity. It also gives the protection to dental caries. Then saliva prevent microbial growth in oral cavity. Saliva can encourage soft tissue repair. Then saliva contains enzyme amylase जो स्टार्च को माल्टोज में कन्वर्ट करता है. And saliva act as solvent in which solid particle can dissolve in and enter the taste bud located in the tongue. राइट आप ये हमारा जो ओरल कैविटी है उसका आप डायग्राम आपकी स्क्रीन पे है, ठीक है, जो आप देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, विद दिस विल एंड टुडेज लेक्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.